Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is robotic process automation step by step guidance. First of all, we discuss about robotic process automation. Robotic process automation is a transformative technology that has gained immense popularity in recent years. It enables organizations to streamline their business process, reduce operation cost, and improve efficiency by automating repetitive tasks through software robots or bots. This 10,000 words paragraph aims to provide a comprehensive step by step guidance to understand and implementing robotic process automation. So, first heading is understanding RPA, robotic process automation. Robotic process automation, often abbreviation as robotic process automation, is an innovative technology that leverages software robot, robots to mimic and automate human interaction with a digital system and software application. Robotic process automation has gained significant traction across industries due to its ability to increase productivity, reduce error, and cut operation costs by performing rule-based repetitive tasks 24 by 7. The second point is the identifying robotic process automation use cases. The first steps is implementing robotic process automation is identifying suitable use causes within your organization. Start by analyzing your business process to identify repetitive roles based tasks that can be automated. The common example includes data entry, invoice processing, and customer service queries. The third step is the stakeholder buy-in. Once potential user case are identified, it's critical to gain buy-in from key stakeholders, including senior management, IT department, and process owners, convincing them of the benefits and robotic process automation is essential for a successful implementations. The fourth step is the selection robotic process automation tool. Selecting the right robotic process automation tool is a critical decision. There are various robotic process automation software platforms available such as UiPath Automation Anywhere and Blue Prism. Consider factors like a scalability, capability, ease of use, and cost when choosing the most suitable tools for your organizations. And the fifth is building the robotic process automation. Creating a RPA team with the right skills and expertise is critical. The team should include robotic process automation developers, business analysts, and projects manager who will work together to design, develop, and maintain robotic process automation. And the sixth step is the process documentation. Before automation being through document the selecting process, this includes mapping out the steps, rules, and expectation involves clear documents is essential for a building effective robotic process automations. So next step is the board development. Developing a robotic process automation board involves designing and configuring them to execute the documents process. This may require coding scripts or using the drags and drags interface provided by the robotic process tools ensure that the bolts adhere to best practice for security and compliances. The next step is the testing and quality assurance. Comprehensive testing is critical to ensure that robotic process automation both perform as expected. Text the boards in a controlled environment to identify and resolve any issue or bug, implement or a robust quality assurance process to maintain accuracy and reliability. Deployment. One of the both have passed testing and quality assurance. They are ready for development. Ensure that they are integrated seamlessly into your existing IT infrastructure and can. Comprehensive testing is critical to ensure that robotic process automation boards perform as expected. Test the boards in a controlled environment to identify and resolve any issue or bug. Implement or a robust quality assurance process to maintain accuracy and reliability. So next step is the development. One of the board have passed testing and quality assurance. They are ready for development. Assure that they are integrated seamlessly into your existing IT infrastructure and can interact with the necessary system and applications. So next step is the monitoring and maintenance. After developments, continuous monitoring is essential. Robotic process automation boards should be the regularly monitored to ensure that they are performing correctly. Implement a maintenance plan to update board as needed, address and issue and make improvement over times. So next step is the scalability and optimization. As your organization gained experience with robotic process automation, explore opportunity to scale automation to other process and departments. Continuously optimize your robotic process automation solution to maximize their efficiency and benefits. Next step is the compliance and security. Maintain strict adherence to compliance and security standards when implementing reproductive systems. Ensure that sensitive data is handled securely and that boards comply with industry regulation and company policies. So next step is the employee trainings. Providing trainings to employees affected by the robotic process automation implementation help them understanding how pro- robotic process automation will enhance their rules and how to collaborate with both effectively. So next step is the reporting and analytics. Leverage robotic process automation, generate data and analytics to gain insight into a process performance, identifying bottleneck and make data drive decision for further process improvements. So next step is the continuous improvement. Robotic process automation is not a one-time implementation; it's an ongoing journey. Encourage a culture of a continuous improvement where team activities seek opportunity to optimize and expand automation capability. So next is ROI evaluation, regular access the returns on an investment of your robotic process automation initiative, calculate the cost saving, efficiency gain and other benefits achieved through the automation to justify organic investment in robotic process automations. So next step is the integration with the advanced technologies. Exploring the integration of our robotic process automation with other advancement technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning and natural language process to enhance the capability and intelligence of your force. Now we discuss about compliance and security. Maintain strict adherence to compliance and security standards. Implementing robotic process automation ensure that sensitive data is handled securely and that sports comply with industry regulation and company policies. Provide training to employees affected by the robotic process automation implementation. Help them understand now robotic process automation will enhance their role and how to collaborate with both effectively.